This video explains the Integrations General Education curriculum for the CSB+SJU classes that entered in the fall of 2022 onward. The Integrations curriculum is structured around 4 key areas: connected learning across fields, core marketable skills, purposeful learning through exposure to multiple perspectives, and engaged learning beyond the classroom. So let's get into what all of this means and how you might lay this out in a 4-year plan. You start your time at CSB+SJU by building a foundation in core skills that you will use for the rest of your academic and professional life. You will take the 1-credit College Success course your first semester to foster a sense of belonging and promote engagement in the curricular and co-curricular life here. You will also take the Learning Foundations course, which starts the process of reflecting on the interconnected nature of a liberal arts education through writing and thinking about your learning. Also in your first year, you will begin to make purposeful connections to your community in the first of 2 courses in the Cultural and Social Difference sequence. The Cultural and Social Difference Identity course helps you think critically about your own gendered, racial, and ethnic identity and identify the social and cultural factors that shape and contribute to each. You might also start the Global Language sequence at this time, needing to reach at least the 211 level in your chosen language. While this can be completed at any point over your 4 years, many students will begin this in their first year. Finally, you will also begin to explore religious engagement with society in the first of 2 theology courses you will take. This course should be completed at some point within your first 4 semesters here. At the center of the Integrations curriculum is an intentional journey through the liberal arts and sciences. You will take at least 4 credits, or the equivalent of 1 course, in 5 different ways of thinking, which expose you to the way different disciplines study and understand the world. These courses may be taken as standalone courses and/or count towards your major or minor. You can only take 2 way of thinking courses in a single department. In your Abstract Structures course, you will focus on formal and symbolic representations of objects, structures, and/or experiences. Abstract Structures courses can be found in departments like mathematics, computer science, accounting, and economics, as well as courses like logic and philosophy, linguistics in the languages or English departments, and music. In your Artistic Expression course, you will make, perform, and/or examine artistic works through direct engagement with individual pieces of art. You might take courses in the fine, performing, or visual arts, and even courses like creative writing to complete this requirement. In your Human Experience course, you will learn to recognize and understand how humans have represented and constructed the human experience in our world. Human Experience courses can be found in 18 different departments, like history, communication, philosophy, English, Hispanic studies, art, and many more. In your Natural World course, you will examine the structures and interactions within the natural world, which comprises the physical universe, both living and non-living, as well as the forces that act on it. You should look for Natural World courses in departments like biology, exercise health science, nutrition, chemistry, environmental studies, and physics. Finally, in your Social World course, you will use the scientific method to examine and understand social phenomena, like human behavior, and how institutions, structures, and norms shape that behavior. You can find Social World courses in departments like political science, economics, sociology, communication, psychology, and many others. You will integrate your learning by taking courses in particular themes, which will help you make connections and see the distinctive value that different disciplines bring to bear on an issue. The minimum requirement is that you need to take at least 3 courses in 1 theme in at least 2 different departments. Your themed courses might focus on justice, movement, or truth. You will take 1 thematic focus course at a 200 or 300 level, and 2 additional themed courses, which can be taken at any level and in any department. For most of you, your themed courses will either be courses with a way of thinking, or courses in your major or minor. So let's see what this might look like on your 4-year plan. You can take your way of thinking and themed courses at any point over your 4 years. You just need to complete your themed courses before you take your Learning Integrations course, but more on that in a second. You might space out your way of thinking courses and take 1 each semester, taking courses in your theme along the way. In this example, a student taking courses in the Truth theme can find courses in the Truth theme in a lot of places, both in general education courses and in major or minor courses. Another scenario shows that you might take some of your way of thinking and themed courses as standalone courses, but others in your major or minor. Now we can fill in some more spots, and you will see that while the minimum requirement is 3 themed courses, Between your way of thinking courses and your courses in a typical 40-credit major, you will actually take many themed courses, potentially in even more than one theme. Let's fill in the remaining elements of the integrations curriculum. At some point, either on campus or when you study abroad, you will take the Cultural and Social Difference Systems course, in which you will learn that the forms of identity that you learned about in your CSD Identity course raise questions of justice and are dynamically connected to systems of power. You will take this at some point in your second, third, or fourth year. You will also take the second course in the theology sequence, Theological Integrations. You could take this in your second year, but will probably take it in your third or fourth year. Let's plug these in here for now. Additionally, most likely in your major or minor, or in a course with another designation, you will take courses that will help you develop two different types of skills. A quantitative reasoning course, which teaches you how to make sense of numerical information, and a writing course, which will help you either refine your writing skills in general or learn to write in a particular field of study. Along the way, again, most likely in courses you are taking for other reasons, in experiences like study abroad, or outside the classroom like doing internships or attending fine arts events, you will satisfy an experiential engagement and an artistic engagement. You will also take courses with a global engagement and a Benedictine Raven, either as an elective, in conjunction with another integrations course, or in a course in your major. Finally, your integrated learning experience is bookended, starting with the Learning Foundations course you took your first year and ending with a general education capstone course called Learning Integrations. This course will be taken in your third or fourth year after you have taken your 3 same themed courses. This course will refine your writing and speaking skills and help you integrate and transfer your learning across your college experience. Keep in mind that many integrations courses can also be taken when you study abroad. We can now fill in the rest of your course slots with electives, minor courses, or courses in a second major. Please talk to your faculty advisor or academic advising to design a pathway that makes sense for you and your goals. If you would like to know which courses you have already taken that satisfy the integrations curriculum and which courses you still need to take, you can check this on DegreeWorks. When a requirement is satisfied, a green check mark will appear. If you are working on a requirement, a half blue circle will be shown. And if you still need to complete the requirement, an empty red circle will show. Keep in mind that you only need to fill the requirements for one of the themes. Throughout the courses in the integrations curriculum, you will be contributing to an integrated e-portfolio, which will help you curate a comprehensive and holistic collection of your learning. The e-portfolio is also fully portable so that you can showcase your accomplishments for prospective employers and graduate schools if you so choose. Make sure that you talk to your faculty advisor, the Office of Academic Advising, the registrar, or one of your trusted professors, or the chair of your department, as we all navigate this innovative and new general education curriculum.